In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Edge tabs across devices so you can continue browsing from anywhere. First, make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account on all your devices, including your desktop and mobile. This is essential because syncing only works when everything is connected to the same account. Next, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, click on Profiles and then select Sync. Inside the sync settings, turn on the options for History and Open Tabs. This allows your browsing activity and active tabs to be shared across devices. Now, move to your mobile device. Open the Edge app, tap on the menu, usually three dots, and go to Settings. Tap on your account, then go to Sync and make sure History and Open Tabs are enabled here as well. Once syncing is turned on everywhere, your tabs will start appearing across devices. On your desktop, you can press Ctrl+H to open History and look for a section called Tabs from Other Devices. This is where you'll find tabs open on your phone or other computers. On mobile, open the Edge app and go to your History section. You'll see tabs from your other devices listed there, making it easy to continue where you left off. That's it. With Sync enabled in Microsoft Edge, you can seamlessly move between devices without losing track of your open tabs or browsing activity.